All new at 5, recruiting for high-paying jobs that no one seems to want. The Orlando Iron Workers Union is ready to hire and to train the next generation of skilled trade workers.
News 6 investigative reporter Mike Holfeld was invited behind the scenes to bring us the story.
How would you describe the life of an iron worker?
It is a hard, difficult job. You know, I've done 14, 15-hour days. It's not a 9 to 5, it's more of a lifestyle.
Your average age of a welder, I think, is in the 40s or 50s these days.
Jason Jagiri, like Aldinger, is in his 40s.
A trade school is just as good as going to college.
He tells News 6 he's seeing fewer men join the ranks of the paid apprentice program. In fact, the men on this crew are 2 of the last in line.
The people that actually come out here and work in the field is a dying breed.
In the next 10 years, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects America will need more than 16,000 iron workers. That's based on 9,000 additional iron workers, and more importantly, more than 7,000 on the job now, expected to retire.